Welcome to the DAI Geospatial Explorer demonstration. My name is Joanna Bouvier. I am a Principal Specialist with the Geographic Information Systems team at DAI. I will be guiding you through an example of geospatial display and analysis configured by the DAI GIS team using open source technology, the Geospatial Explorer. DAI has expanded the use of spatial information for monitoring and evaluation through developing open source geospatial solutions. The use of open source technologies to manage and analyze geospatial information is innovative and has the advantage of portability and low cost. This example of a web-based Geospatial Explorer is developed primarily using open source technology. The spatial information is displayed in a popular commercial application, Google Earth. We start our example by displaying activity information from a program implemented by DAI in Timor-Leste. Using Google Earth functionality, we can show the distribution of grant activities geographically and over a period in time, in this case between 2006 and 2007. One of the most important operations in analyzing information geospatially is a query. Using a customized query function, we can analyze activity information by grant type, status, recipients, PDOs, beneficiaries, amount disbursed, or strategic objective. In this example, we are building a query by amount disbursed to create a report of grant activities with an amount disbursed of less than $5,000. The results of the query are rapidly shown in a new layer and in a report that can be easily shared or exported into a report document. Next, we will navigate to an area where there are several activities implemented by DAI. We can easily explore information about an activity by clicking on an activity location. For example, this activity is providing support for a youth training center that prepares young people to enter the job market with new skills, therefore helping to reduce unemployment. Next, we will use the power of geospatial technologies to add information about unemployment in Timor-Leste, information that is coming from the census. Depending on the available data, we can easily add information available online or offline from diverse sources. In this example, the information is retrieved from an online repository of data, which allows us to search information by country or category. We are interested in unemployment in Timor-Leste. We can easily superimpose this information with the activity data displayed in Google Earth. By adding information about unemployment, we can easily point out the areas with the highest percentage of unemployment. For example, the area where this activity is located has a very high unemployment rate, over 20%. By superimposing this information, we could also see if there are any other areas with a high level of unemployment where perhaps future activities should be developed. In the last step of this example, we use the activity location to demonstrate another important functionality developed in the Geospatial Explorer, which is the ability to perform spatial queries. An example of a spatial query is a buffer function. In this example, we choose to create a 5-kilometer radius buffer around the activity location. A new layer is added. As before, we can easily explore information about an activity by clicking on the activity location. We can choose to display only the activities located in the buffer. And we can also display a report. This concludes our brief example of the Geospatial Explorer functionality.